everyone, how are you guys doing? So if you have come across this face for the first time, hi guys, I'm Mansi. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely click that subscribe button and join this fam. As you guys already know that my today's video is my May favorites, and I'm very excited because this month was quite eventful, and yeah, I have quite a few things to show you guys. I'm wearing this lipstick which is like super pigmented and dark, and I'm not like a big fan of dark lipsticks, but I thought to own this one, and yeah, I think I like it. So this lipstick is by Maybelline New York Color Show, and it is in shade Wine Festival. So yeah, let me know if this shade is suiting, because I don't really know, because I don't know. Moving on, so the next favorite is this diary. It's so cute. It is in pink color and it has really cute doodle right here, and it's written so happy, and I think this diary has a really positive vibe. So if you guys don't know, I am a big fan of diaries and I love collecting them, like different type of diaries, and I also write them. So this diary is from Chim, and they have a website too, which I will link down in the description box. So if you guys want to purchase this, you can go ahead and you can have the same one. Now moving on to my favorite TV shows. A lot of my friends were telling me that Game of Thrones is really very nice, and I didn't actually want to watch it, but by the review I thought I should give it a shot, and I started watching it, and it's quite blah blah blah, and it's quite interesting. So if you guys are looking forward to watch any new TV series, you should definitely watch Game of Thrones because it's good. The next thing is my favorite songs of the month. My first favorite song has to be After Hours, because I love the song so much. All the songs I will be mentioning now, all the links are down, so if you guys want, you can check it down too. Check it out too. Why am I singing? Okay, singing music vibe going on. The next song is Goal by Kiara. So most of the people don't really like this song, but I don't know why. The song, the beats, they just I just love it. It's so catchy. If you guys like this song too, please let me know in the comment section that I'm not the only one. The next song is Lost Boy. This song, the lyrics are so good. Like, it's like in a fantasy world with Tinkerbell and Peter Pan, so I absolutely love this song. And the next song is Inside Out. Many people already love this song because it's the jam of the... I don't know. Moving on to my favorite clothes. So this month I have shopped quite a lot because I had gone to Europe, so I had shopped a lot. And there are some of my favorites from this shopping whatever. Why am I not getting any words today? Like, I'm so speechless. Never mind. So first thing is this jogger pant, and it is really very cool and very dope, I feel, because it has like copper zip thing here, and it has a copper thing here too, and details. And the best part is the bottom is like longer from behind and shorter from ahead. I think I described it. Yeah, I absolutely love this. If you, I'll insert the picture right here. Okay. So this one I got from Splash, and yeah, I love it. Woo. Is this t-shirt, which is like super cute. I love the combination pink and grey, and it is really very cozy. And the best part is it has a collar, and it has like shirt vibe going on, and yeah, it has a white thing. And this is also from Splash, but I absolutely love it. So next thing is this sweatshirt, and you guys already know how obsessed I am with this if you guys must have seen my Instagram pictures. Best part is that this sweatshirt is not mine, it's my dad's sweatshirt, and I stole it. Like, didn't steal it, but I just told him like, I love it, I'm gonna wear it. So woo! Next thing is this guys, so the thing I absolutely love this is because I don't actually find any braces for my wrist because I'm so thin. So I don't really find my size. So I found this in Europe and I absolutely love it. It has like a nature vibe going on, and the moment I saw this I was like, I want it, and I got it. So the next pair of sandals which I had got from Bandra, I guess, but I absolutely love them. It's like nude kind of color, and it has a really cute bow, and I think it's really perfect for daily use while going to college and stuff. So yeah, I love it. Moving on, my favorite YouTubers. So lately I have been enjoying Shane Dawson's videos and Liz Bug. Oh my god, they are totally insane, like hilarious, and I love their videos. Like I can never get bored. They do the craziest stuff ever. Like I just love them. Like how do they do that? Like woo, you guys rock. Well, I think the highlight of this month was my Europe trip, and it was so good. Also, I vlogged my trip, and I have vlogged for the very first time. I have uploaded my first 2 days vlog. So if you guys haven't yet watched that vlog, I'll link it down in the description box down below, and you should definitely check it out. And the next vlog will be uploaded next week. So yeah, stay tuned. I think that is it for today's video. These all were my favorites, and let me know what are your favorites in the comment section down below. I would love to know. And yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And yeah, I'll be posting 2 videos a week, I guess, till I have my vlogs series going on. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful. Love you. Bye.